types of clamps. There are three main types of clamps. First one is called a pipe clamp because it's a clamp made on a pipe. You don't see these too often. These are usually homemade. You buy the ends and you put it on your own pipe. Next is called a C clamp. It looks like a C. This is used a lot in automotive and with metal. Not as much with wood. We prefer bar clamps because it does less damage to the wood. The rest of these are called bar clamps because they're on a bar. So these are adjustable. Push in this trigger right here and that allows you to move it back and forth, and then this one only brings it in. Because these are made of plastic, they can only put a couple 100 pounds of pressure. They work great for fast things that you're not worried about it being super tight. If you need it super tight, you need to switch over to a clamp that also has a screw mechanism on it so you can really draw it together. And here is a furniture making bar clamp. So this one adjusts just by tilting it and it slides up or down, and then you can finish tightening it with this. Then there's specialty clamps. This one is called a wood hand clamp. Woodworkers that don't use a lot of power tools love these. You can use it straight, which is called parallel, so sometimes these are called parallel clamps, but you can also turn one side in order to get different angles. So this is a specialty clamp. If you don't know how to use it, they're frustrating, but if you do, they're a great tool. There's other specialty clamps like angle clamps for picture frames to hold things together. The key on pause. There are other specialty clamps, like this one is for frames or putting two things together at a 90-degree angle. So to recap, you have bar clamps, they're on a bar, and you have better quality. So this is a cabinet maker's one with a screw mechanism to really put down a lot of pressure to hold something together. Or your cheaper ones that just have a little bit of pressure. And then you have your C clamp and your bar clamp.